On an unseasonably hot mid-spring evening, I hopped on the metro and crossed over the carefully managed channel of the Los Angeles River into East LA. My goal was to visit Mariachi Plaza in the historic Boyle Heights district and get a quick glimpse of the neighborhood. A la primera vista, yo vi el kiosco de la plaza y fue transportado en mi mente a los espacios públicos de México. At first glance, it felt like being back in Mexico, where every public plaza has a traditional-looking kiosk standing there at its center. This one was donated by the Mexican state of Jalisco and designed and built by artisan Juan Pablo Salas in 1998. My timing could have been better, or let's just say it wasn't the hour when the mariachis were hanging out, so I missed out on that special vibe. Aún así, pensé en Plaza Garibaldi in DF y sus mariachis. Still, I thought of Plaza Garibaldi there in Mexico City and how it captivated me from the first time I ever set foot there. As I walked through the plaza, I came to a statue dedicated to Lucha Reyes, a reina de mariachi who came to LA from Guadalajara in the 1920s and is renowned as the most well-known voice of both mariachi y de ranchera. Mariachi Plaza. ¿Dónde están los mariachis? They don't seem to be here. Maybe they're having supper before they go to play. To my great good fortune, I came upon a game watching party at the Expo Originals, the spirited support group of the Los Angeles Football Club at Distrito Catorce. It instantly reminded me of the spirit of community and camaraderie I had grown accustomed to and appreciated while living in Mexico. As I continued down First Street, the sounds of the watch party followed me. Yo encontré una caja para apoyar de los ciudadanos del barrio. I found a community food pantry right outside a colorful shop selling vintage gear and decided to check it out. Just found this dope shirt. Shop owned by Elvis. Supernova Thrift was the name of the store. Y es un lugar inspirador con su ropa de segunda mano y representación de la cultura de la comunidad. I stepped back out onto the street, walking past the community center, a bar, some taquerias, and the joyous refrain of the Expo Originals as I headed back toward Plaza Mariachi on my way out of Boyle Heights. As I looked out across the Los Angeles River, the evening sun was just beginning to frame downtown LA.